Hi, Brad. Are you eating? Watch how much he loves this food. Some nice spoon handling there, Dad.
Like that. I have to keep up with him, otherwise he throws a fit. Look at that kid.
Check out that sweet action.
No, Bradley, give me the spoon. Alright, ready? Almost done.
Better hurry, he's wasting away, can't you see? Feed that boy. Hi, gorgeous. Yum, 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 yum. That's delicious. Nice work, Dad.
Yeah. It's a mess.
Hi, do you have a smile for us? Do you? That's a big negative.
You full?
Okay.
Alright.